Welcome to the complete guide on AI Quantum Smart Tool, an advanced trading solution powered by artificial intelligence to help you see the market like never before. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use AI technology to identify key entry zones, predict price movements, and truly understand market logic, not just react to signals. We'll go step by step through how to set up the Smart Tool, interpret its signals, and apply AI-driven analysis zones to catch trend reversals and continuations with precision. This tool combines real-time volume algorithms, demand and supply mapping, and adaptive AI signals that evolve with the market. If you're looking to increase your trading accuracy and make data-driven decisions instead of emotional ones, stay tuned. This is your complete walkthrough of the AI Quantum Smart Tool. Let's go through it step by step. Step 1. Visit aqpro.io. On the homepage, open the pricing section. You'll see two main subscription plans, Pro and Ultima. Please note, access to AI Quantum Smart Tool is available only with the Ultima plan. The Ultima plan also includes advanced indicators, strategies, and exclusive premium materials from our team. Step 2. Enter your TradingView username. Before purchasing, make sure to type your exact TradingView nickname, the same one you're currently using. After typing it, select your username from the drop-down list and click on it. This step is very important. It ensures your access is linked to the correct TradingView account. Step 3. Click Buy and complete the payment. You can pay using any convenient method directly on the website. Once the payment is confirmed, your access to AI Quantum Smart Tool will be activated instantly. You'll be able to start using it in your TradingView account right away. Step 4. Check your email. You'll receive a message from our team with instructions on how to access your premium materials, including the VIP Signals Group, trading strategies, and exclusive learning resources. And right now, there's a special promotion. Our team is giving every new user 3 extra days of access for only $1. That means before paying the full price, you can test all features of the AI Quantum Smart Tool and experience how powerful it really is, for just $1. It's that simple. 1. Go to aqpro.io. 2. Choose the Ultima plan. 3. Enter your TradingView username. 4. Try it now for just $1. 5. Get instant access to AI Quantum Smart Tool. Also, don't forget that you can use our promo codes sent directly to your email to receive additional discounts on our tools. You can activate a promo code in several ways. If you're paying through WAP, simply enter your promo code directly on the WAP checkout page. If you prefer to pay with cryptocurrency, you can enter your promo code right on our website before completing your payment. The same applies if you're using PayPal. Just enter your promo code on the AQPRO website checkout page. Please note that the $1 trial period for 3 days is available only for card and PayPal payments. Now let's go through the simple steps to activate and start using your AI Quantum Smart Tool. Step 1. Check your TradingView account. Within just a few minutes after payment, your TradingView username, the one you entered during checkout, will be added to the official access list. To confirm this, open TradingView, go to Indicators, Invite-Only Scripts, and you'll see AI Quantum Smart Tool available in your list. Step 2. Apply the indicator to your chart. Open any chart, click Indicators, select Invite-Only Scripts, and choose AI Quantum Smart Tool. Once added, it will automatically load and start analyzing the market in real time. You can freely switch timeframes, instruments, and strategies. The tool adapts instantly. Important reminder: make sure you're logged into the same TradingView account that you entered on the R website during checkout. If you accidentally entered the wrong username, contact our support email. Our team will help fix it quickly. Or you can open Dashboard on our website and edit your TradingView nickname. New invite will be sent automatically. Once the indicator appears in your list, you're all set. Apply it to your charts, explore the features, and start using the power of AI-driven market analysis right away. Now that you've successfully activated your access and the AI Quantum Smart Tool is ready inside your TradingView account, it's time to move to the most important part, setting it up correctly. The right configuration makes all the difference. Proper settings help the AI recognize market structure, identify high-probability entries, and adapt the analysis to your personal trading style. In the next part, I'll show you exactly how to customize the parameters and how to interpret the signals like a pro. So, get your TradingView ready, and let's jump straight into the setup and configuration of your AI Quantum Smart Tool. Before we start diving into each parameter and building the most effective setup for your trading style, let's quickly go over all the core elements that make up the AI Quantum Smart Tool. Inside the tool, you'll find Algo Dashboard, the control center displaying overall market conditions and AI trend direction. Power Scanner detects zones of strong market momentum and volume shifts. Reversal Peaks highlights potential turning points and exhaustion levels. Crunch Boxes, visual areas showing price compression before a breakout. Tail Trend tracks local trend extensions and short-term reversals. Moving Averages, MA, smooth trend confirmation tools. Signal Method defines how entry confirmations are calculated. Sensitivity adjusts the AI's precision for faster or more conservative signal generation. Show Signals Parameter toggles visual trade entries directly on the chart. TP and SL take profit and stop loss zones for precise risk management. Now that you understand what each component does, let's move on to the setup and configuration process, where I'll show you how to adjust every parameter step by step to align the AI Quantum Smart Tool perfectly with your personal trading strategy. All right, let's go through the settings together, and I'll explain each parameter in detail, what it does, how it works, and how you can adjust it to fit your personal trading style. The Signal Method parameter defines how the AI Quantum Smart Tool generates its trading signals. Essentially, it sets the core behavior of the algorithm. You can think of it as the tool's personality, whether it focuses on following existing trends or identifying potential reversals before they happen. The first option, Follow the Trend, makes the algorithm align its signals with the dominant market direction. It focuses on confirming momentum, filtering out noise, and helping you stay with the trend for as long as it remains strong. This mode is ideal for traders who prefer stability and consistent continuation setups. It highlights entries in the direction of the current move and avoids premature countertrend trades. The second option, Catch the Reversals, shifts the tool's focus entirely. Here, the algorithm becomes more sensitive, scanning the market for early signs of potential trend changes. It detects exhaustion patterns, volume imbalances, and price behavior that often appear before a reversal. This mode is perfect for traders who like to catch turning points early and enter at the very beginning of a new trend. So, depending on your strategy and risk tolerance, you can decide whether to let the AI ride the wave with the trend, or catch the turn right at the start of a new one. The sensitivity parameter controls how frequently the AI Quantum Smart Tool generates trading signals and how selective the algorithm is in identifying potential market opportunities. Think of it as the focus or precision level of the AI. The higher the sensitivity, the more it filters out noise and reacts only to strong, confirmed movements. When you set a higher sensitivity value, the algorithm becomes more conservative. It waits for clear confirmations of trend strength and major market structure shifts before issuing a signal. As a result, you'll see fewer signals, but each one tends to represent a higher probability setup, typically aligned with the global market trend. This approach suits traders who prefer quality over quantity and aim to follow the bigger moves with stronger confirmations. On the other hand, when you lower the sensitivity, the tool becomes more reactive and aggressive. It starts to detect smaller fluctuations and short-term opportunities more often. You'll receive more frequent signals, but they may also include more market noise and minor corrections. This mode is ideal for active traders or scalpers who prefer to stay engaged with the market and capture short, fast swings. In simple terms, high sensitivity, fewer but stronger trend-oriented signals. Low sensitivity, more signals, faster entries, but with more volatility and risk. Finding the right balance depends on your trading style. Conservative traders usually prefer higher sensitivity, while aggressive traders and scalpers often lower it to catch more intraday moves. The next setting is Show Visuals of TP and SL, a feature that helps you clearly visualize your take profit and stop loss levels directly on the chart. When this option is enabled, the AI Quantum Smart Tool automatically plots entry, stop loss, and take profit lines for every signal it generates. For example, if the last signal was short, the system instantly displays a short entry zone, along with corresponding stop loss and take profit levels. And the same applies when a long signal appears. This allows you to instantly see where your trade would be executed, how much room there is for profit, and where your risk is capped, without doing any manual calculations. The risk-reward ratio, R:R, defines how far your take profit will be set in relation to your stop loss. For instance, a 1-to-2 ratio means your target is placed twice as far as your stop, offering a potential reward that's double your risk. Finally, you can personalize the visual appearance of these levels using the line style setting. Whether you prefer solid, dotted, or dashed lines, you can customize them to fit your charting style. In short, the TP and SL Visuals feature is all about clarity. It gives you a quick, visual understanding of where to enter, where to take profits, and where to protect your capital, ensuring every trade is guided by smart, data-driven levels. The next setting we're going to look at is Show MA Cloud, a powerful visualization feature that helps you clearly understand trend direction using a dynamic cloud made of multiple exponential moving averages, or EMAs. When this option is turned on, the AI Quantum Smart Tool overlays a soft-colored cloud across your chart. This cloud is built from several EMAs. By default, the 5, 9, 13, 34, and 50 period averages, giving you a clear visual cue of both short-term and long-term momentum in the market. So, what exactly is an EMA? The exponential moving average measures the average price over a specific number of candles, but unlike a simple moving average, it gives more weight to recent price action. That means it reacts faster to new market data, showing you changes in momentum as they happen. Here's how it works. A shorter EMA, like a 5 or 9, reacts quickly to price movements. It's perfect for spotting short-term trends and quick shifts in direction. A longer EMA, like a 34 or 50, moves more slowly. It smooths out the noise and helps identify the overall long-term market direction. When all EMAs in the cloud are stacked upward and the price stays above them, it signals a strong uptrend. When they're stacked downward and the price remains below, it indicates a clear downtrend. Traders use the MA cloud not only to see the direction of the trend, but also to spot momentum shifts and dynamic support or resistance zones. For instance, when the price pulls back into the cloud during an uptrend and then bounces off it, that often marks a strong continuation move. Conversely, if the price breaks below the cloud, it can signal a potential reversal. You can also customize the EMA periods to fit your trading style. Scalpers often use shorter EMAs, like 5, 9, and 13, for quick entries and exits. Swing traders might prefer mid-range EMAs, like 21, 34, or 50, to capture larger trend moves. And long-term traders usually watch the 100 or even 200 EMA to define overall market direction. By combining multiple EMAs into a single, color-coded cloud, the AI Quantum Smart Tool gives you a clean, intuitive view of market structure, helping you stay aligned with the trend and avoid entering against the dominant direction. In short, the MA cloud helps you see the market flow at a glance, where momentum is building, where it's fading, and where the next opportunity might appear. Let's talk about one of the most advanced features inside the AI Quantum Smart Tool, the AI Moving Average. This isn't your typical moving average. It's an intelligent hybrid system that combines the proven reliability of traditional MAs with the adaptability of artificial intelligence. The AI Moving Average continuously analyzes both historical data and live market conditions, adjusting itself in real time to deliver the most accurate and timely signals possible. It doesn't rely on a fixed calculation period like a standard EMA or SMA. Instead, it automatically determines the optimal period and type of moving average, whether that's exponential, simple, or weighted, based on current volatility, momentum, and volume. Here's what makes it truly powerful. During high volatility periods, the AI MA shortens its calculation window, becoming more responsive to rapid price swings. In quiet or ranging markets, it smooths itself out, using a longer period to filter noise and maintain stability. The result? You get a moving average that adapts to market rhythm, reducing lag and improving overall accuracy, something traditional indicators simply can't do. The AI moving average also generates clear and intuitive trading signals. Long signal, when the price crosses the AI-MA from below upward, confirming upward momentum. Short signal, when the price crosses the AI-MA from above downward, signaling a potential reversal to the downside. You can use these signals for direct entries or as confirmation with other AI Quantum Smart Tool components. Here's a simple strategy example. 1. Add the AI moving average to your chart and combine it with main long and short signals. Also, add TPSL tools with 1.5 RR ratio. 2. Wait for the price to cross it in the direction of the main trend, plus our main indicator gives long signal or short signal, depending on your position. 3. Place your stop loss like our tools say. 4. Exit when all the TPs were filled, or when you see that MA start changing trend. The AI moving average takes the simplicity of a traditional trend tool and supercharges it with adaptive intelligence. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, it helps you stay synchronized with market conditions, filter false signals, and make more confident, data-backed trading decisions. The next feature we'll explore is called Advanced Color Smoothing, a visual refinement option designed to make the AI moving average display smoother, cleaner, and more precise. When you enable this setting, the system applies a kernel-based color smoothing algorithm, a special AI-assisted technique that enhances how color transitions appear along the moving average line. In simpler terms, it makes the color gradients more accurate and visually consistent, especially during periods of strong volatility or sudden trend shifts. Normally, when market conditions change quickly, color transitions between bullish and bearish tones can appear abrupt or uneven. But with advanced color smoothing enabled, the tool intelligently blends those transitions, creating a fluid, continuous visual gradient that better reflects the real market dynamics. This feature doesn't affect how signals are generated. It's purely a visual optimization that helps you read the indicator more clearly and reduces distractions on the chart. In short, advanced color smoothing adds an extra layer of polish and precision to the AIMA display, ensuring every shift in trend is not only accurate, but also beautifully smooth and easy to interpret. Next, let's take a look at one of the most insightful and visually intuitive features of the AI Quantum Smart Tool, Tail Trend. Tail Trend is a super trend-based baseline system, originally designed to show the general trend direction, but after deep optimization, it evolved into a powerful trend strength detector, capable of identifying moments when the market is strongly trending, whether bullish or bearish. The concept behind tail trend is simple yet brilliant. It analyzes the tails, or wicks of candlesticks, those thin extensions above and below each candle that represent price highs and lows within a specific time frame. By studying how these tails form and behave, the indicator reveals where buying or selling pressure dominates and when potential reversals might occur. For example, long upper tails often indicate selling pressure, meaning buyers pushed the price up, but sellers quickly stepped in to drive it back down. Long lower tails, on the other hand, show strong buying interest, suggesting accumulation and potential upward reversal. Tail trend also includes two display options. Show tail trend toggles the main baseline on your chart, which acts as a trend-following filter. Show tail trends sweeps displays hollow triangle markers above or below price candles whenever the tail trend baseline is swept. These visual cues help you instantly spot key moments of price interaction with the trend line, often preceding strong continuation or reversal moves. Another important parameter here is the factor. It controls how sensitive tail trend is to price changes. A lower factor makes the indicator more sensitive, producing more frequent signals, though with slightly less reliability. A higher factor smooths out the movements, giving fewer but stronger and higher quality signals, ideal for those who prefer cleaner confirmations. In practice, tail trends serve several key functions. Trend identification. It clearly shows whether the market is trending upward, downward, or moving sideways. Reversal detection. A shift in tail patterns, for instance, multiple long lower wicks in a downtrend, can hint that buyers are stepping in and a reversal may be forming. Support and resistance mapping. The indicator naturally highlights dynamic zones of pressure where price reacts repeatedly, helping traders manage entries and exits with precision. Here's an example strategy. 1. In an uptrend, consistent long lower tails confirm strong buying momentum, suggesting it's safe to stay in the trade. 2. In a downtrend, if the indicator detects multiple long lower tails, that could signal a potential bullish reversal. 3. Use these tail zones as dynamic support and resistance to set your stop loss and take profit levels. In essence, tail trend gives traders a unique way to read market psychology directly from candlestick behavior. It transforms raw price data into a clear picture of who's in control, buyers or sellers, and helps you stay aligned with the strongest side of the market. For example, here we stay in long position and wait until price goes in the range of distribution. Now we need to understand who win, buyers or sellers. Let's watch what happens. If we see a lot of red triangles, we can say that potentially sellers make a lot of pressure on the price, and it goes to correction soon. And it's mean that we need to close our long position, because sellers win. Yes, price going down as soon as we close our position. Now, let's move on to another unique and visually powerful feature: crunch boxes. Crunch boxes are a volatility-based support and resistance system that helps traders identify key zones where price is likely to react, consolidate, or break out. The name says it all. It crunches complex market data into clear, actionable visual zones. When you enable Show Crunch Boxes, you'll see rectangular zones plotted directly on your chart. These boxes highlight areas of high volatility and potential breakout regions, the spots where price compression often leads to strong movements. Essentially, crunch boxes make it easy to spot moments when the market is preparing for its next big move. Here's how it works. The indicator constantly scans the last several candles to measure volatility, price range, and trend direction. It identifies zones of market compression, where volatility contracts, followed by potential expansion points, where the market may break out. This allows traders to prepare for upcoming moves rather than reacting after they happen. Crunch boxes also come with two important parameters: crunchbox factor and crunchbox period. The crunchbox factor adjusts the scale and strength of the zones. A higher factor expands the analysis to show larger, more global zones, perfect for long-term or positional trading on higher time frames. A lower factor makes the boxes more sensitive and responsive to short-term movements, ideal for day traders and scalpers looking for frequent opportunities. The crunchbox period, on the other hand, defines how many bars or candles are analyzed to create each zone. Shorter periods, like 5 to 10, react quickly to price changes, offering more signals, but with increased sensitivity and potential noise. Medium periods, around 14 to 20, strike a balance between speed and reliability, making them great for swing traders. Longer periods, 50 to 100, filter out short-term fluctuations, giving a smoother, long-term market view, ideal for those planning larger position trades. While crunch boxes can be used on their own, they work best in combination with other Acro tools, such as the AI moving average or tail trend, to confirm entries and stay aligned with the dominant market direction. We recommend using the crunch boxes primarily as a context tool to understand the broader trend and volatility landscape before choosing your exact entry point. In short, crunch boxes simplify volatility analysis by visually highlighting where the market is compressing, expanding, and preparing for a new wave of momentum. They help you see where the next big move could start, before it happens. Next up, we have reversal peaks, a precision tool designed to help traders identify potential price turning points with remarkable accuracy. As the name suggests, it focuses on reversals, the moments when the market shifts from bullish to bearish, or vice versa. The reversal peak system is built upon two core components: the VWAP, volume weighted average price, a key institutional benchmark, and AQPRO's proprietary reversal band algorithm, which dynamically adapts to current market volatility and price flow. Together, these two technologies analyze where price and volume pressure intersect, revealing zones where the market is likely to pause, exhaust, or completely reverse. This makes reversal peaks especially valuable for mean reversion traders, those who look to catch turning points and trade price retracements. The behavior of the indicator is controlled by several parameters, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your trading style. Peak major factor. This setting controls the sensitivity of the reversal detection. A higher value makes the indicator more selective, generating fewer but cleaner and stronger reversal signals. This is ideal for higher timeframes, where trend shifts are more significant and longer lasting. A lower value, however, increases responsiveness, producing more frequent peaks, useful for shorter timeframes or scalping strategies where quick exits are essential. Peak minor factor. The peak minor factor adds a secondary layer of detection. It focuses on smaller, localized reversals that may mark the end of a short-term move or a potential start of a broader trend change. In other words, the minor peaks highlight areas of temporary exhaustion, helping traders anticipate when momentum is weakening before the market fully reverses. Peak length. The peak length defines how many bars or candles are considered when calculating a potential reversal zone. A shorter length increases precision and responsiveness, making it ideal for intraday or fast-moving markets. A longer length smooths the analysis, filtering out noise and identifying more structural, long-term reversal zones. Here's how traders typically use reversal peaks in practice. 1. Add it to your chart to visualize potential exhaustion points. 2. Combine it with tail trend or the AI moving average to confirm whether a reversal aligns with the broader trend. 3. Use the peaks as potential exit or entry signals, setting stops just beyond these levels to manage risk effectively. In essence, reversal peaks gives you a clear visual roadmap of where price may be overextended, showing the areas where buyers or sellers are losing strength, and where the next shift in market direction is most likely to begin. It's one of the most powerful features for spotting trend exhaustion, profit-taking opportunities, and early reversal setups. A must-have tool for traders who prefer precision over speculation. The next feature we'll explore is one of the most advanced components of the AI Quantum Smart Tool, the Power Scanner. Built on artificial intelligence and neural network technology, the Power Scanner continuously analyzes live market data to detect moments when the trend may be losing strength or preparing to reverse. When you enable Show Power Scanner, the system displays real-time probability readings directly on your chart. These readings appear as colored triangles, red or green, each showing a percentage value that represents the AI's calculated likelihood of a trend reversal. For example, a red triangle might appear with a value like 40.89%. That means the algorithm estimates a roughly 41% probability that the price will start to reverse downward soon. A green triangle, on the other hand, suggests a potential bullish reversal, an early signal that the market may be preparing to move up. These readings don't signal instant changes. Instead, they help you anticipate potential reversals before they happen, giving you time to plan your next move. The Power Scanner's behavior can be fine-tuned with several parameters. Power Scanner period. This parameter defines how much historical data is considered during the calculation. A shorter period makes the scanner more reactive to current movements, while a longer one provides a more stable, long-term view of market strength. Power Scanner sensitivity. Sensitivity controls how aggressively the AI looks for potential reversals. Higher sensitivity makes the scanner more alert, producing earlier warnings, ideal for day trading or fast markets. Lower sensitivity filters out weaker signals, showing only the most significant trend shifts, perfect for higher time frames or swing trading. In practice, the power scanner is especially useful for identifying high probability exit points or early reversal zones. It's particularly strong on larger time frames, where market momentum is more predictable. But it can also be used effectively during the day to spot weakening trends or exhaustion phases. Keep in mind, this indicator doesn't generate instant buy or sell signals. Instead, it provides a probabilistic overview, a broader, data-driven insight into how likely it is that the market will shift direction. The key is to interpret it as early warning radar, not as a command, but as intelligent context for decision-making. In short, the power scanner gives you the power of neural network analysis directly on your chart, helping you see when momentum starts to fade, when pressure builds for a reversal, and when it might be time to secure profits or prepare for the next move. And finally, we arrive at the heart of the entire system, the algo dashboard. This panel serves as your central command center, displaying the most essential trading metrics in real time, including your current position, profit and loss, take profit, stop loss, and even your initial deposit balance. When you enable Show Dashboard, it appears directly on your chart, giving you a live, at-a-glance overview of your trading performance without needing to switch windows or calculate manually. The dashboard positioning option lets you fully customize where it appears: top, middle, or bottom, left, center, or right, so you can keep your chart layout clean and comfortable for your workflow. The initial deposit parameter defines your starting capital for P&L calculations. Based on that, the dashboard automatically tracks how your equity changes after each signal, showing your real-time gain or loss relative to your last executed position. For example, if your most recent signal was long, the dashboard will display your live P and L for that position, updating as the market moves. This gives you an instant understanding of how your last strategy is performing, directly in your workspace, with zero distractions. In essence, the Algo dashboard transforms the AI Quantum Smart Tool into a complete trading ecosystem. Not just an indicator, but an intelligent trading assistant that helps you see, analyze, and act with clarity and precision. Every feature, from the AI moving average and tail trend to crunch boxes, reversal peaks, and the power scanner, all come together here, integrated into one seamless system, designed to make your decision-making faster, smarter, and more confident. So now that you've learned how to set up and use each feature, it's time to bring it all to life. Apply the AI Quantum Smart Tool to your chart. Explore the parameters and see how artificial intelligence can transform your trading perspective. This is AQ Pro, where AI meets precision trading. Smarter analysis, clearer signals, better decisions.